Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. Today we will prepare pumpkin stir fry, a delicious wholesome dish in every bite. First take some pumpkin, peel and cut it into small pieces. Wash the pumpkin. Heat oil in a kadai or pan over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Toss in green chilies and let them infuse their flavors into the oil. Carefully add the pumpkin pieces to the pan. Sprinkle turmeric powder over the pumpkin for a golden hue. Season with salt. Garam masala powder and a hint of chili powder. Mix the ingredients well, ensuring the pumpkin coated with the spices. Allow the pumpkin to cook for some time, stirring occasionally. Once the pumpkin is tender, sprinkle chopped coriander over the stir fry. Give it a final mix, letting the coriander infuse its freshness. Your flavorful pumpkin stir fry is now ready to be served. Garnish with additional coriander if desired. Enjoy this quick and easy pumpkin stir fry, a delightful dish that's both wholesome and bursting with flavors, perfect as a side or a standalone treat. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.